Hey everyone, Sylvia here, and welcome guys to my AI Collective review. So here I am on the AI Collective sales page. Go check out this product, guys. It's something you don't want to miss out on. That's the newest launch by Todd Gross and Cyril Gupta. So Cyril Gupta, Cyril Jeet, he's the coder, he's the programmer here. Todd Gross, well, he basically partnered up with Todd Gross to bring this product to you. It's a massive launch. It's quite a beast, this tool. In short, it will give you access. You have under one roof access to around 50 top AI tools that you'd normally pay subscriptions, like monthly subscriptions for using them. So say ChatGPT 4.0. What is it? ChatGPT 4.0, the newest one, right? Gemini Advanced, Llama, Claude, right? And this and that, so many AI tools. And also image generating tools as well. Okay, so you will have both. These are all of the text generating tools that you have access to. And it's a one-time fee, guys. You get the commercial license to your front end. And also there is a bundle deal that you can get, which includes all of the upsells plus reseller rights. You get 70 licenses actually. That's, yeah, I mean, I'll get to the funnel, but I'm just letting you know that you have two options. So go for either the front end and then the standard funnel, pick whatever upsell you want. However, if you get the bundle deal, you're gonna save up quite a lot of money. But back to the tool, what it does. So you have access to around 50 AI tools, top AI tools for a one-time fee, guys. So you can cancel your subscription to ChatGPT, to Gemini Advanced, to this and that. And here's the thing, it's nice to have access to all kinds of AI tools because the content ChatGPT creates will be different to what Llama creates or Gemini Advanced or other AI tools. It's almost like each AI tool has got its own personality, so to speak. Okay, it's like almost like a different person. It's really the case. I was testing out the tool. Initially, I asked ChatGPT to write me a funny Instagram post about email marketing here. And that's what it came up with. And here you have you see the three dots? You have a few options. You can change the models, you can change the AI that you want the same content created, but by a different AI. You can rewrite it, you can expand, you can have it summarized, you can make it into an email. Okay, let's try and make it into an email actually. And then I switched to another tool and I could see that the content that was created was completely different, okay, to what I initially got from ChatGPT 4.0. Oh, there you go. And now it changed it into an email. So that's what you have. It's really, really cool stuff that you will have here access to. You will have credits here with the Pro. You get 10,000 credits. With the front end, you get 20,000. Sorry, I'm getting mixed up. So I'll double check the credits, but yeah, it runs on credits unless you get the bundle deal, then it's going to be unlimited. Or you can just get the unlimited upsell as well, following the front end, right? So I mean, there's also what you can create when you go to new content. Okay, you can either have a new chat to create text, right? Text-based content, or new images. So for the chat, let me show you how it works. And before I maybe go ahead, I mean, I should have told you about this whole training done by Cyril. So if you click through this, it's gonna take you to YouTube where you have a bunch of videos, 5 videos with this. The longest one is the demo done by Cyril himself, which is about 12 minutes long. How to use this tool, basically, step by step. Okay, so you've got the training here. And yeah, if you want to create content, you just put in the prompt here So let me hold on, wait, what tool am I using? So here is all of the tools you can pick from, right? All kinds of AI tools. Let me just pick a random one, maybe the llama. Where was it? Oh, if I can't find it, that's fine. Let me just get the first, whatever is available at the top. What do I want created? Let me think. So I wrote, write me a sarcastic Facebook post about quitting a 9 to 5, not 6, 9 to 5 job and starting an entrepreneur career, hoping you'll start making money from tomorrow. Did I put tomorrow? You know how some people, oh, I've already put it. You know how some people can be pretty naive believing in such a thing. And here we have it. Okay, let's go. Let's check it out. Big news, everyone. I've officially quit my boring 9 to 5 job to pursue my lifelong dream of becoming a widely successful entrepreneur. Who needs a steady paycheck and a job security when you can embrace the thrilling uncertainty of maybe tomorrow I'll start making money? I mean, why work for someone else when you can work 24/7 for yourself? Sounds about right. Right? Plus, I just know those millions are going to roll in any day now. If I manifest it hard enough, surely the universe will deliver a check to my doorstep. Cool stuff. So if anyone needs me, I'll be here in my pajamas, sipping coffee and brainstorming my next big idea. Or just scrolling through Instagram. Same difference, really. Okay, I love it. Okay, now what we can do, we can change the tool and switch to a different one and see what, say, which one. And also here, you see the 24/prompts at that shows you how many credits are going to be taken from your account for each prompt, and it will vary from a tool to a tool. Some tools take only 2 credits for a prompt. ChatGPT, the newest one, 4.0 mini, takes 24 credits. Claude takes more. Gemini, Google Gemini Pro, just 1 credit. Okay, let's use this one and have it rewritten by Google Gemini Advanced, I think it's called, right? And see what this one is gonna come up with. And here it says, slow down then. While pursuing your entrepreneurial dreams can be exciting, it's important to approach it with a dose of reality and a sprinkle of financial sense. Quitting a stable job without a solid plan and blah blah blah. As you can see, the content is totally different. So, okay, that's just, a sneak peek into guys into what you're getting here. And also from here, you'll have the prompt library. Here you can upload a document that AI is going to analyze and create for you whatever you require based on that content. Here you also have access to all kinds of so-called experts. So you can select an AI personality. I was chatting earlier with the dating coach. Okay, I was just getting some advice, explaining my situation, this and that. And it got me some cool advice. I was like, all right, I'm gonna hire you from now on for free. It's cool stuff, right? So, and so many AI tools you have. I know I'm repeating myself, but under one roof, yeah? For a one-time fee. And also you can generate images. So let me show you that. So we have access to DALL-E 3, DALL-E 2, Deep AI text to image. This is a brilliant one. But as you can see, it takes quite a bit of credits, 150 credit per prompt. But whereas DALL-E takes only 2, or the newest one 12 credits, and the stable diffusion just 1 credit. So let's use maybe the newest DALL-E and see what we can create. You know what I want, guys? I want to see a flying rat. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, something else. Before I asked for a flying elephant to be created, it came out quite pretty. I'll show you later. Brilliant, I love it. Oh, looks like an angel, flies like an angel. It's an angel, even though it looks like a rat. But now check out here my daughter was asking for some hamsters. Those cartoonish looking hamsters, a smiling mouse, or a flying elephant that I wanted created. So that's that. Okay, as I told you, you can also here create some prompts. You will have access to the library of prompts as well. Okay, and as for the prices, let's go down the sales page, scroll down and see the prices. So the front end will 1 year, free upgrades for 1 year. So it's not yearly, it's one time for $25, and it will give you, oh, there you go. We have 20,000 welcome credits. And then maybe get the unlimited one if you don't want the bundle deal. So to have, like, not to be limited, especially if you create a lot of content. You get the commercial use license with this one as well. But the bundle deal, guys, comes with many, many more features, right? Unlimited message size, all future AIs included, because they will be working on this tool, upgrading it all the time, updating, improving and all of that. 2 years of free feature upgrades, 770 license rights. You can sell chat with images. Okay, and you can upload and chat with PDFs. You will have all kinds of AI assistants. So the bundle deal is pretty affordable. It's only $178. Okay, so yeah, make up your mind which one would suit you best. And yeah, that's that, guys. And that's the whole funnel. So if you were to purchase the whole funnel one by one, front end unlimited pro reseller, that would cost you around, let me check, that would cost you around $400 from what I can see, right? So you're saving a lot of money if you're going for the bundle deal. It's like 40% or compared to if you were to get every single of the upgrades individually. So go get it, guys. I think it's quite a cool tool to have. As I said, as you already know, access to 50 different AIs, image generating AIs, text generating, and all of that. So cool. The link below my review. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Thank you for watching.